Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm actually in my kitchen because I just made myself a cup of coffee. It's about 9 a.m. today. I woke up late, so yeah, I'm just gonna have my coffee. And today I am meeting Panchami, and you all have seen her in my vlogs previously as well. She is my college friend, and I'm gonna be meeting her in Bandra. She's also staying in Mumbai now, so we thought of meeting up, and I decided to show her Bandra because she stays very far. So I was like, okay, probably you come this side and you can see Bandra and the cafe culture over here. So we're gonna be going to probably two places. So I thought I would vlog it. So it'll be also something like a recommendation of sorts for you guys to probably try out when you all are in Bandra. So yeah, let's go. And now, well, I'm just going to finish my coffee, have some breakfast. I have some time before I can leave to meet her because I'm meeting her for lunch. So yeah, I need to finish a shoot for some collab, and probably yeah, I'll be doing that and then heading out for lunch. Okay, so I decided to make this basic besan haldi mask. So what I did is I just used around 1 spoon normal जो खाने वाला चम्मच होता है उसका 1 spoon बेसन, probably half a teaspoon of rice flour, half a teaspoon of haldi, a pinch of cinnamon, and I mixed it up with dahi and a little bit of water. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this paste on my face because my face feels so dehydrated and so just like, you know, I wanted to exfoliate my skin in a very natural and subtle way. So I thought of doing this mask. So I'm going to be doing this and then probably just taking a bath and getting ready and probably shooting, as I said, for that brand collab. I just finished shooting the content for that brand, which will be up on my Instagram very soon. So it's actually a tea brand called Fresh Leaf. Okay, so I'm in the car. I just left. This is the outfit and I love the fit today. Now I need to pick Panchami from the Bandra station first and then we'll head out. But we haven't really decided the place. So on text when I asked her, I was like, "Kahan jana hai?" She's like, "Kuch bhi chalega, I don't know." And I'm like, even I don't know because the problem in Bandra is there are too many cafes, like way too many cafes. So then like you don't really know where you want to go. But let me see, probably on my way right now I'll just figure out some place and see if, I mean today's a Wednesday, so reservation shouldn't be a problem, but let me just still finalize one place. So the thing is, I decided based on what was easy and some place where you kind of get not too heavy meals. That's Bougie. Bougie Cafe is a good option. Blondie, that's newly opened, but I am personally not in a mood to have those or something. Probably not Blondie, but I've heard a lot about Blondie. Mahika also went. If you all haven't watched that video, you all can go to her channel, Mahika Maheshwari, and you all can watch her vlog as well on Blondie. That's a review on Blondie. You all can watch that. Panchami really wants to go to this Magnolia Bakery, which is there in Khar, Bandra, there only. So I was like, okay, so Bougie and all are very close by. Literally, I think now at this point, we've roamed around in Bandra so much that we are official Bandra people who don't stay in Bandra. It's like that. So anyways, we'll probably go to Bougie and then Magnolia or something. And if not Bougie, बहुत सारे बाजू में, like Boca is there. Pomodoro is there. Pomodoro I called, but they still have a waiting. I don't know how on Wednesday they have a waiting. So finally, she's here. I don't know if I'm audible here, but anyways. You came directly from work. How is work? How is work life?
Work life is good.
So we are here at Bougie Cafe. What have we ordered?
Because we had to share stuff. Because I don't think I can finish it, and I don't think she can finish things either.
And plus,
we have to also go to another place.
Yeah, we have to do cafe hopping if we are in Bandra.
How to do, what to do, is your department.
ठीक है, तू बता कैसे लग रहा है सालों बाद मुझसे मिल?
सालों बाद यार, फरवरी में मिले थे, फरवरी में।
February 2025.
अभी अप्रैल 30 अप्रैल 2025 पे। It's so long. And इस शक्ल को देख के
You know what she remembers? She only remembers how good I was to her throughout Manipal.
So this girl is right here on video call with us. Okay, she's showing off her nails now. Anyone wants any manicure sessions can go to Anusha Roila and Manicure. So we've ordered the nachos.
Yes, because I'm taking pictures.
It's a beautiful plate of nachos that we have.
How do you like the nachos? It's a good one, no? Here.
थोड़ा सा चीज और चल जाता हूँ.
It's so veggie. इसको देखो, अब इसको देखो. This woman named Mathangi came to a very very expensive cafe with 140 रुपए in her bank account.
It's 30th April, guys.
तुझे कौन सी सैलरी मिल रही है?
I did shopping yesterday, so पैसे गए.
So we're finally done with Bougie Cafe.
Okay, so we're still on video call with Anu and we exited Bougie Cafe right now and we are change of plans. We're not going to Magnolias. We are going to this place called Tokyo Matcha Bar for some matcha because it's so hot and we just wanted to drink something good.
So obviously, as usual, we are figuring out where that place is in the tiny lanes of Bandra. So we're getting in finally.
लग गई है आजकल.
So we are at Tokyo Matcha Bar and Anu is going to be placing an order for us. So we really don't know what she's going to be ordering. So yeah, it's her idea as she said, and let's hope that she orders something nice and tasty for us to have. Okay, so they just gave like really cute origami papers, and yeah, I mean in our free time, by the time our order comes, should we make something?
देख मैं बताती हूँ. ये है पेपर. ठीक है. इसको हम करेंगे शाम.
Origami sheets. Anu is right.
Sheets, paper.
So Anu ordered our drinks. This is the iced matcha frappuccino, and this is the matcha detox. So the iced matcha detox is nice, and this one, so she's saying that it's 15 calories, and her drink is the frappuccino one. It's above 100 calories is what she's saying. Our dietitian expert, nutrition expert. So we just came out of Tokyo Matcha Bar, and how did you like what you had?
I really like. So Anusha ordered for us, as you know, and she ordered matcha frappe.
Yeah, matcha frappuccino and the what is it?
Iced matcha detox. For her.
Yeah.
And I really liked both of them because मेरे को वैसे भी matcha पसंद आता है. This one did not like it initially.
Yeah. It is an acquired
Initially,
taste.
she was like, ये क्या घास पी रही हो मैं? But then later,
Yeah. It was actually good. I think it is an acquired taste, and I don't think I'm very fond of a lot of milk in my matcha, because the previous time I had it was with a lot of milk and मुझे नहीं पसंद आया था even after drinking that whole glass. But here first sip was obviously like ghas, but over
for
time
this we need to thank Anusha.
Yeah.
because she knows us. She
Yeah.
knows कि इसको पानी ही चाहिए होता है, मेरे को दूध ही चाहिए होता है. So she ordered that.
no, Anu really knows our taste, and she always orders good stuff, because whenever, even when we went to Roy's and all before पहले उसने ऑर्डर किया, हमने हाँ तो ऑर्डर कर. या इवन व्हेन वी वेंट टू वीटोज, हम बहुत पहले गए थे या कुछ, तो दैट टाइम ऑल्सो शी ऑर्डर द फूड एंड इट वाज सो गुड. सो वो भरोसा था मुझे उस पर. बट स्टिल सिंस इट वाज matcha, आई वाज अ लिटिल हेजिटेंट, बट आई थिंक इट वाज अ गुड वन. But we got down right outside the shop and we were walking in another direction, finding this place.
This story ये बहुत भोले वाले वे में बताया. मैं स्टार्ट। ये है शॉप, यहाँ हम उतरे गाड़ी से, हम अंधों की तरह गए उल्टे दिशा में, तो हमें मिल नहीं रहा कहाँ पे है ये। गूगल मैप्स लगा के, देन गूगल मैप्स इज लाइक उल्टे डायरेक्शन में, वी स्टार्टेड कमिंग अगेन उल्टा। ये कहाँ है, मैप पे दिखा रहा है यहीं पे, एंड देन दिस वन बोल ये देख सामने,
Literally right where we got out. But that's something that happens every time I'm in Bandra at least, because even when I've come here with Rashi and Mahika, we've always gone around at least like for 5 minutes figuring out where the particular cafe is, because यहाँ पे इतने छोटे छोटे गलियाँ हैं।
इसका मतलब ये है कि प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इन मी बट her.
No, it's not in me also, it's in Bandra. Bandra is like that. So even if Rashi, Mahika, that happens with them also. And with most people I know who come here. So it's Bandra. But Bandra is nice cafes and food. Panchami got down at car station and I couldn't really film like her leaving because it was a pretty busy road and there were cars all around. So I was like, छोड़ो बाद में आराम से vlog and probably tell you all that she's left. But yeah, now I'm just heading back home. And to be talking about the places we went to Bougie and Tokyo Matcha Bar. Today we were in a mood for matcha, and I think I finally can tell that I also like matcha. Probably not as much as coffee, but definitely I do like it. It is a nice drink. It is an acquired taste, to be honest. But Tokyo Matcha Bar did serve us some excellent matcha. Bougie Cafe was good. We had a very basic thing actually. We just had nachos. We were a little light on our lunch today, but it was good. I've heard that the sandwiches are also very good over there, but probably next time I'll probably have a sandwich. But nonetheless, it was a fun day out after so long, and I also met her after so many months, so it was a good one. It was a good day and a good fun day actually. And we were on call with Anusha and she ordered our drinks in Tokyo Matcha Bar, so she did a good job by ordering us good options. So yeah, that's about it for this video. So y'all do know what y'all have to do, that is like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see y'all in the next one. Bye.